Hi and welcome back to my channel. As I mentioned in my last video, I'm waiting for a parcel from London and look what arrived. Oh, I'm so excited to get this, Joe. Now this is a parcel from Joe, and she is an Australian born art teacher slash artist, now living in London and working in London. And I've been watching her do her art, and I really wanted to add some of that into my Australian journal. So she's done me up some papers here. So let's open this up. It's actually been sitting there for a couple of days, but I've been really busy, and I wanted to do a video of unboxing it. So ooh, I like what I see. Oh wow, that looks like Kings Canyon, is it? Oh, thanks for the postcards, Joe. Cute stickers, the magpies. Got plenty of them here. Wow. Pelicans. They're cute. There's a little note. What does it say? That's a Bible text. The blessing of the Lord be upon you. Oh, thanks, Joe. And the same to you. We often talk and think about you in London. And yeah, stay safe. And this one's John 10:10. The thief's purpose is to steal and kill and destroy, but my purpose is to give life to its fullest. Well, thank you for them. All right, now let's open some of these gorgeous papers. Now Joe's been doing watercolor or painting, you know, for quite a while now, and just pop over to her Instagram account, Paint and Polaroids, and check her out. She's got some beautiful stuff. And I said to her, when I do a seaside one, I wanted her to do some other papers up for me. And so she's put a few A4 papers together for me. Wow, look at that. And I specifically asked for outback colours. So these are the thoughts behind what you see and the outcome of her paintings. I love that. Wow. I think that's one thing that really caught me when we went around Australia, especially in Western Australia, just the different wildflowers. And Joe is actually from Western Australia, so I knew she would get what I meant when I asked her to make these for me. That's cool too. I said to her, it looked like some of her work looked like modern type, you know, take on Aboriginal paintings and things like that, which was pretty cool. Nice. These are the colours of Outback Australia, definitely. Wow, look at that. How did you know, Joe? That's one of my favourite flowers, the Sturt Desert Pea. It's just stunning. Oh, let's try and open this. Wow, I love how you've done this on just pieces of scrap. That's awesome. So beautiful. Just beautiful. Thank you. Can I show them in the camera, that one? And she also said she was going to put in a heap of scrap just to for collages and stuff, which I thought was pretty cool too, because if you've done any junk journaling, it's noisy, you know that junk journalers use every little piece of scrap. So look at all these scraps. Yeah, they're cool. Now Jo's just, I think she's almost got a website going too, so she may have some links there you can follow to her new website soon. Oh wow, I love these blues. See, that looks like the desert meeting the ocean. And it's just so like that in Western Australia. The desert literally meets the ocean. Beautiful. Wow, look at all these scraps. Oh, thanks so much, Jo. These are just beautiful. I'm so keen now to get back into my Australian junk journal, and I sort of purposely put it on hold because I wanted to make sure I include all these in it. And that'll make it special. This reminds me of another Insta channel called Collage Fodder or something like that. Yeah, where they use all bits and pieces of artwork. Wow. I just sort of look at these, Jo, and just wonder what your thoughts were behind them. I love that bronzy colour on that. Oh wow. Oh, that's so nice. I love that. Wow, the desert's just meeting the sea. Well, these are beautiful, Jo. Thank you so much. And I'm just so keen now to play with them all. I just love it all. Love it. Oh gosh, that's so pretty. They're so pretty. She did give me a little sneak at some of them. But I didn't see them all. Wow. That's awesome. Look at that. I love it all, Jo. Thank you so much. Oh, time to create, hey? Yeah. So this is, if you haven't seen, this is my junk journal, and I'm just wondering whether that's all going to go together. I'm sure it will. I can make it go. Oh, that just looks so beautiful. Because I've only really still got the cover done. So yeah, that'll be beautiful. Thank you so much. All right, I'm going to have to get busy now and get my thinking cap on to get all this together. All right, so if you're new here, please press the subscribe button, and yeah, I'll have the link below to Jo's Instagram channel or page if you want to pop over and have a look at her paintings. She does some beautiful stuff. And what else was going to say? Oh, I can't think now. What else was I going to say? Anyway, thanks Jo for working together on this and understanding where I was coming from when I was trying to describe what sort of I wanted. And yeah, I knew you'd understand, because I know, you know, you're from Australia, from Western Australia, and I knew you'd understand what I wanted. So yeah, take a look at Jo's account and press that bell button to get notified for more of my videos, and stay tuned for some upcoming ones now that we're back and I've got all the other video out of the way of what we found. Oh, there was one thing I found, and let me know if anyone knows what the heck this is. I got 2 rolls of this at the op shop, and that's what it looks like. It's quite thin. It's like, obviously it's some sort of bias, but it's not bias binding, it's like where it's folded over, but it's really, really thin. So and I haven't been able to get what's that other one called, that other binding, seam binding. I haven't been able to find seam binding anywhere. This was the closest I've seen at the op shop, but it's like, it's a real synthetic stuff. It's not like you can see up close, it's an open weave sort of thing. But anyway, if anyone knows what that is, let me know in the comments below. Yeah, so I picked up this smaller roll and a bigger roll, and I thought, well, that'll be good in junk journals because it's quite thin and it could go on tags and things. So I'm going to experiment to see if I can colour that as well. Let's see how it goes. Anyway, that's me for today, and thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my unboxing of all these gorgeous papers, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.